the Christmas candles is back at Bath and Body Works. So if you're looking for your favorite Christmas candle, now is the time to go ahead and grab that candle. You don't have to rush because these candles will be around for a while now, so you don't really have to rush. As y'all see, this store do have that new collection, that Dream Bright, and again a couple of more of the Christmas single wick candles. I like them, but I really don't need them. I did grab this one, free with rewards, just saying. And then I got a lot of the accessories, Christmas accessories out as well. I thought these candles was really cute in these little gift bags with the bows. Super cute. Again, this was a $10 off sale going on. Again, Christmas, the Christmas preview collection, which includes all of our favorite candles that come out every year. So yeah. Also, this new candle holder is so pretty. Oh my goodness. But it is so cute, and look at that candle on top of it. So cute, so cute. But it's a pass for me because this is a seasonal item, and I don't usually buy seasonal items. I like items that I could use all year around, so I did pass on that. Again, some of the return scents that we love. This is a new scent, this strawberry snowflake. Again, winter, that come out every year. A lot of people like it. And the new wallflower plugins. Oh my goodness, so nice. Oh my goodness, so nice. But again, I don't really buy this stuff, even though I love looking at it and I love how creative Bath and Body Works is with these plugins, but I don't really buy them. Now, 70%, 75% I might, but again, it was a pass. I love looking at them, but I don't need any of them. So of course they got all their Christmas stuff out, but they still have a lot of fall items. Again, some of the fall candles was $12.95. I have a lot of these candles, so it was a pass for me. I'm happy to see that these candles finally has been marked down, because we all been waiting for this stuff to go a lot cheaper, and they're finally marking them down, even though now we are running for Christmas stuff. But again, they had a lot of the $5.95 body care items, which is the fall items. I've been seeing this collection everywhere, but I didn't need it, so it was a pass for me. I love this blue. Oh, that blueberry sugar pancake. Oh, I love that blue. But again, it was a pass. 50% on the travel size, or the minis. The fall minis, I should say. And again, is champagne, apple, and honey is on the 50% as well. Or was it $5.95? It might have been $5.95. But all this stuff is fall stuff. Again, we've moved on to the Christmas items. So if you're still looking for some of those fall items, you can still find them in the store. Hi y'all, Bath and Body Works is doing an all body care sale for $5.95. You have to use a code, which always suck, but $5.95 is not a bad price. Yes, we love to get it closer to like under $5, but I had to grab some things, so I did. Only grab like 2 things. I decided to go ahead and grab this cinnamon and sandalwood. This is that body oil melt. This is that body oil melt. I'm not sure if this is like the other body oil stuff that I have, that I got like many years ago under the True Blue Spa. They came in something like this, but it was more like shea butter. So I'm not sure if this is gonna be similar to that. I hope it is. And y'all already know I absolutely love this this scent. So I grabbed another one of the body mist, which is the essential oil mist. Bought another one of this. I love this scent. Oh my goodness. And I'm gonna try to grab more, maybe around semi-annual sale, or if they have a better sale on this stuff, most definitely gonna grab some more, because I really been using this a lot. So yeah, these were the only two things I got. I'm getting ready to go to another store to see if they have those little candles that I'm looking for. No, I'm not in a hurry to get them, but in my last video I told y'all I had bought some candles and I didn't use my coupon. So if I go to this other store and they have the candles that I'm looking for, then I will purchase those and get a price adjustment. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So let's head to the second store. Made it to the second store. Is this collection called the candy cane collection? Leave that down at the bottom because I really don't know. It looked like candy canes, but I don't know. This candle holder is really pretty. It's like a rose gold, but more on the gold side. Home decor, Christmas home decor. Those are nice. I really like those. This snowman candle holder. Yes, yes, yes. Rudolph the reindeer candle holder. Yes, yes, yes. This clock candle holder. OMG. So nice. I picked it up. I didn't realize how heavy it was going to be. This is nice. I might have to pay regular price for that. I'm just saying. So beautiful. It is so nice. Okay, y'all. Now, the $5.50 sale is going on and I wanted to get some stuff, but as y'all do know, on the first part of this video, I went into the store and I noticed that they had the mineral and sea salt body wash, but it's not showing online to be picked up for a BOPUS order. So I know I wanted to get this because I want to get it for my son for his birthday. I wanted to get the whole line for him. So I said, you know what? Let me place an order for a different scent and then exchange. Come to find out, and this is a shocker to me. Come to find out, when you place an order online, they have to just return it. I mean, they can do a product for product, but with that, they have to scan your ID. And as y'all do know, anytime they scan your ID, that $250 limit comes into play. So therefore, even though I only spent $20, now my limit decreases to $230. Like I was telling the lady, it makes no sense. I have a receipt. My order is my receipt. So I should be able to do an exchange with my receipt without you having to scan my ID. I decided I didn't want to talk about this part in the video because it didn't sit well with a lot of people. I'm not sure why, but it didn't sit well with a lot of people. So I decided I didn't want to talk about it. Hopefully you seen the live and you know exactly what happened. But leave in the comments, let me know what is your experience with Bath and Body Works with returning or exchanging your BOPUS order, because for me, it was just a big headache. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up. Shout out to all my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always holding me down. Thank you for always watching every video that I put out. I truly, truly appreciate you, and I truly, truly love you for supporting me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Also, y'all, don't forget to thumbs up, leave me some comments. Let me know, what did you buy on this sale this past weekend? The $10 off, the $5.95, the men's care sale. Leave all that stuff down at the bottom. Hit the notification bell. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. Follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.